This animal is roughly about a 30-foot male sei whale, and it's not very common that we see them here, but we know that there's species that are in the area. So Atlantic Marine Conservation Society, a Marine Mammal Center, Whale and Dolphin Conservation Society, and Marine Mammals of Maine are all coming together to be able to investigate the causes of mortality for this animal. What we're seeing is that we have whales in our waters year round. It's just whether we have more or fewer animals. And so we would start to expect to start seeing more animals coming through our waterways. And unfortunately, we'll see more animals at strand.